Lions and hyenas are known as two high-level predators in nature. Because of the fight for food, they become bitter rivals with each other. Warning: lions attack already injured hyenas, not for sensitive viewers. The hyena in this video is paralyzed in its hind limbs. It can be seen that it cannot move flexibly with its two front limbs. Even though it was injured, it still showed ferocity when meeting a lion. In the African grasslands, hyenas and lions are mortal enemies. When he saw the hyenas, the male lion rushed to attack. Even though he was alone, the lion caught a hyena. This made the whole herd of hyenas mad, and they rushed to attack in revenge. With the advantage of numbers, they rushed from all sides, biting the lion's back and tail in turn when it showed an opening. An injured hyena was moving with difficulty when he suddenly encountered a lion nearby. The Grass King saw the hyena and quickly chased after him. Realizing that the opponent was injured, the lion did not pursue until the end. The lions and hyenas are about to have a fierce clash. Seeing each other, they rushed to bite each other fiercely. The lion took the initiative and caught the hyena. Although he tried to escape, the hyena was unable to stand. In case of forced confrontation, the lion will usually be the winner. The brown hyena did not realize the danger was approaching. The male lion followed and knocked down its prey. The lion's somersault caught the brown hyena in its arms. After a while of biting, the lion suddenly let go of its prey, leaving the hyena in quite a lot of pain. Lions are not good at running, so they often get very close to their prey before attacking. When about 10 meters away from its prey, the lion will speed up and deliver the decisive blow. As this video shows, it grabbed the hyena quite quickly. The victory was in favor of the lion when the hyena turned the situation around and bit the opponent's mouth. Thanks to that, hyenas have the opportunity to escape. A hyena appeared in the frame with many bite marks on its body and seriously injured hind legs. It had gone through a brutal fight. With just one bite, the lion caught the hyena. The lion has the upper hand. Another lion also participated in this battle. They tried to tear their prey fiercely. With sharp claws and teeth, the lion defeated the hyena. The hyenas were eating their prey's carcasses, and there were also lions at the scene. The lion accelerated and rushed to attack the hyena. After being bitten by another hyena, the lion calmly continued the fight. The lions chased the hyenas fiercely on the grassland, and the unfortunate hyena was then caught. The hyena was not yet in a fight, so it tried its best to resist the lion's bites. Many lions participated in the fight. However, luck smiled on the hyena. Lions can intimidate hyenas and try to remove them from their hunting grounds. This male lion, after jumping over the mound, approached the hyena, which he had used to grab with all of his might. The lion has a 100% win rate in this clash. Known for their pack lifestyle, hyenas sometimes fight for food. every hyena group always has a leader and is usually a female. Clashes between lions and hyenas are often an integral part of African social fabric and the ecosystem. If alone, even an adult male lion can become the target of a pack of ferocious hyenas. The hyenas surrounded and continuously harassed the lion because they knew they had an advantage in numbers. They're not afraid, but even recklessly rush to bite the lion's tail. But with his strength, the lion rose to respond to the hyenas. This scene attracted the attention of another male lion, who quickly ran over. The lucky lion escaped. The battle was more dramatic because of the appearance of another grassland lord. The hyenas still try to attack while they still can. It's no coincidence that the lion was awarded the title of the King of the Grassland, because its ability to hunt and fight back is clearly shown in this video. It successfully captured a hyena, even though it had been quite difficult before. As animals that specialize in stealing prey from their opponents, the hyenas cannot let the lions eat their prey in front of them. They try to destroy and attack the lion to pull them away from their prey. The lion is also not average when he bravely returns and is ready to respond to the hyenas to enjoy the meal. The moment the hyena stole the lion's prey was recorded. If you love this moment, please follow our channel. Hyenas are also considered one of the greediest carnivores on land. They rarely hunt on their own, but mainly follow other predators, such as lions, and steal their food. The hyenas were too large, so the lions left. In another development, the hyena blatantly stole the lion's prey. The lions must have been very angry, so he resolutely chased after them. The hyena that stole the prey ran away, so the lion returned empty-handed. Despite the huge size of the ruler, the hyenas did not show any fear. They continuously attacked the lion. At first, the lion only growled in defense instead of attacking directly. With cunning combined with herd strength, hyenas can attack even an adult lion. The dramatic video recorded shows the merciless battle for survival between lions and hyenas. Seeing that the hyenas dared to look at their prey, the lions immediately stepped forward to attack. This led to chaos on the steppe. The hyenas ran away and only dared to stand and watch their prey from afar. Male lions hide behind bushes to observe hyenas. When the time comes, it jumps out. Taking down a hyena in this situation with a lion is quite easy and extremely quick. Meanwhile, two nearby lionesses also successfully took over another hyena. Despite possessing God-given strength, lions cannot always avoid danger. The The hyenas continuously use their sharp teeth to bite the lion's legs. Perhaps he was tired from the previous battle, so this time the lion gave in and let the hyena bite him.
I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then all you have to do is click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you've got any comments, you know where to leave them, in the comments below. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the show, and I'll see you again for another great adventure. Bye!